Avoid the wasted money and the headaches. Keep your vehicle reliable and watch the videos. Now's the time to subscribe and turn the bell on. Here, we've got two brand new, all genuine parts hub assemblies assembled, ready to go. And this is the old one off the vehicle. And I want to show you how easy it is to make a mistake or to prevent the mistake. If you get the hub like this, this hub needs to look, this one needs to look exactly like this one. So if you've got ABS, you've got this ABS tone wheel on the HILUX, and you've also got this spacer or retainer here, okay? If you haven't got ABS, this won't be here, but it'll be like what I'll call a washer. It's a spacer, but it's like a washer. It's really just that plate down there, right, without this on it. But you still use this retainer or spacer. And it's so easy to get off. All you need to do, I'm just gonna gently, I don't wanna lever this hard and bend it. You're just gonna slowly go around it. And it is difficult for me to hold the camera, right, and do that. But you just slowly go around like this, and it'll gently come. You can see it's come up already. It's already sitting up one side. We can continue with this, but it would make a longer video from what's meant to be a short video. So I could get a tripod. And there's another one's been delivered to me as well. So, you know, once you get a little bit of gap there, you can go to a slightly bigger one if you want. Again, point is, work your way around slowly and just slowly. I'll keep talking and I'll just keep videoing. And the hard part is I want to swap hands, right? Bring it around here and spin it around, but that's where the tripod comes in, right? But what you want to do is get that off, and you don't want to pull it up too much at one side like I did and then get it jammed there, because nice and slow all the way around. It's really easy. I'm going to put the camera down and just do it. I'll let you know how long it takes. All right, I can't lie. How long did that take? Hey, you two are listening to me do that. From when I put the camera down, how long has it been roughly? How long?
4 minutes.
4 minutes? What do you reckon, John?
3 minutes.
3, that's what I was thinking, more like 2 or 3. Anyway, once you get it started, and you, thank you. Once you get it started, right, 2 screwdrivers, 1 at each side, and it'll just pop off like that, right? So I'll show you what it all looks like. We've got the other one. That was 3 minutes to do too. And again, nice and slow. We don't want to damage or bend anything. There's 2 pieces to it. Whatever comes off your old one, see now your new one, your old one, right? Don't worry about this. Let's add a bit of spray lubrication to help get it out. This is your ABS sensor, quite expensive. I've got spares in stock. And this is the retainer spacer, if you like. Like I said, I've also got the ABS, the spacer without that. So you can pay the extra $200 if you like and get them like that. But you know what? Ridiculous waste of money, no need to. You might see a couple of very minor marks underneath that. But make sure when you're levering, you're going in a fair way and you're pushing up, not right here at the edge here. Right at the start, you'll be under the edge a little bit, but it'll work its way in and you're actually pushing up here on the inside, which is pushing directly against this spacer. And this is what's creating the resistance. Now I'm just going to go and clean these up quickly. Just a quick wipe with a rag and some compressed air. I'm not going to wash them or anything. And then I'll show you how they go back on. Right, quick clean, here they are, just like new ones. I'm going to bring over this big old hammer. Ooh, you can use a presser if you like, but you just don't need to. Like I said, this part, it fits straight on, right? So be clear, that's what it's going to look like. It's just going to spin. This one, same thing. They're the most minor interference fit. It's not funny, right? So we've got one there and the other one. And I'm going to even do this left-handed because it's not my car. I'm just joking. Okay, now. Same way it went off is the same way it goes on, nice and gently. Once it's on, it spins. It sits a little bit proud. That's the high point there, okay? And that's why if you don't do this and you clamp it together against there with your CV, your bearing will be loose, everything will collapse. It'll be all really bad news. Bit more. When you hear it go like that, you know you're there, and it'll spin once it's on. So basically you've got a bit of an interference fit shortly after it goes on, and then it comes loose again. It's all good. The dry shaft goes in directly behind on here, so just give that a wipe. You can inspect it. Like I said, don't get crazy and lever the wrong direction. Let me show you what I mean. Don't go and lever upwards into the new bearing. Although you're taking off the old bearing, it's not going to matter. Always gently. See how loose it is? Look, it's just sitting there loose. See how it's moving? Right, the bottom half, it is just loose. So it comes up a little bit, it gets tight, then you can get 2 screwdrivers, very gently each side, work your way around, or just go straight under with 2, and it comes off really easy. It's easy as that. These are ready to go back on. If you want a couple of these brand new hubs with all genuine parts, 6 components included, bearings, hubs, seals, O-rings, bolts, a whole lot. Keep watching videos and you'll figure it out. There's a playlist called front wheel bearing, front hub. Check the playlist again and you'll work it out. Catch you in the next video. See ya.